Kaplan turbine. The Kaplan turbine is an inward flow reaction turbine, which means that the working fluid changes pressure as it moves through the turbine and gives up its energy. Water enters the turbine laterally, is deflected by the guide vanes, and flows axially through the propeller. Here is a surround view of the runner blade and guide vane mechanism. Axial flow runner consists of 3 to 8 blades of the airfoil shape. As the fluid passes across the blades, it changes the pressure and generates energy. Parts of Kaplan turbine: spiral cross-section casing, guide vane mechanism, runner blades, hub, draft tube, shaft. Here is a exploded view of Kaplan turbine. Kaplan turbines are widely used throughout the world for electrical power production. They cover the lowest head hydro sites and are especially suited for high flow conditions. The turbines are individually designed for each site to operate at the high efficiency, typically over 90%.